Hello children. Children, today we will learn about factors. So first, let us understand what do we mean by the factor of a number. Let us take the number 12. First we'll find out the pairs of a number that gives 12 as a product. So 1 into 12 equals to 12. 2 6 times is 12. And 3 into 4 equals to 12. So we got 3 pairs of numbers that when multiplied gives us the product 12. Now let us take each pair of number separately and understand what it means. First pair, 1 into 12 equals to 12. Here we divide 12 by 1. We get the quotient as 12. And when we divide 12 by 12, we get quotient as 1. In both the cases, remainder is 0. Thus it means that 12 is divisible by both 12 and 1. Coming to the second pair, 2 into 6 equals to 12. When we divide 12 by 2, we get the quotient 6. And when we divide 12 by 6, we get the quotient as 2. Again in both the cases, the remainder is 0. Thus, it means that 12 is divisible by 2 and 6 both. Coming to the third pair, 3 into 4 equals to 12. When we divide 12 by 3, we get 4 as quotient. And when we divide 12 by 4, we get quotient as 3. Here also, we get the remainder 0 in both the cases. Thus, it means that 12 is divisible by 3 and 4. Thus, we now understood that 12 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Hence, we say that the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors of 12. Hence, we can define the factor of a number as a number which exactly divides the given number. Now let us look at certain points which we need to understand related to a factor with the help of the examples and the properties of factors. So, first property, 1 is a factor of every number because 1 divides every number exactly. And 1 is the smallest factor of any number. Children, 1 into 6, that is 1 into any number gives number itself. And 8 divided by 1 gives you 8. That means any number divided by 1 gives number itself. So hence we can conclude that 1 is the factor of every number. Moving to the second property, a number is a factor of itself because every non-zero number divides itself exactly. So you can see the example. When any number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. So, moving to the third property, children. A factor of a number is less than or equal to the number. We will take the same example which I have shown you in the previous slide, that is the factors of 12. So, the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Note that the factor 1 is less than 12 and the factor 2 is also less than 12. Same way, factor 3 is less than 12. Factor 4 is less than 12. Factor 6 is less than 12. And last factor, factor 12, is equal to 12. That is the number which we have taken. Thus it shows that a factorial number is less than or equal to the number. The fourth property, children, every number other than 1 has at least 2 factors. You can see the example. Factors of 7 is 1 and 7 only. So mostly prime numbers are covered in this property. Every number other than 1 has at least 2 factors. So let us take one more example. We'll find the factor of 30. So pairs of number which gives the product 30 are 1 into 30 equals to 30, 2 into 15 equals to 30, 3 into 10 equals to 30, 5 into 6 equals to 30. Thus, the factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Now, you can look at these numbers and remember the points which I have told you in the properties of factors. Children, you must also try to find the factors of numbers by yourself. And you know that the beginning is always the hardest. So keep practicing. Be safe. Thank you.